What if you could take a single solid gold sphere, cut it into pieces, and put them back together to create two spheres? Not two smaller spheres, but two identical copies, each the exact same size and weight as the original. This sounds like a cheap magic trick, or a lie, but in the world of pure mathematics, it is a proven reality. We're taught from birth that matter is finite. If you cut an apple into 5 pieces, you still have 1 apple's worth of fruit. This is the law of conservation. Our brains assume that volume is a fixed property that cannot be cheated. In our physical world, this is true, but the universe of math, it doesn't play by our physical rules. This is the Banach-Tarski Paradox. It starts by imagining a sphere not as a solid object, but as an infinite collection of points. Imagine those points are like a deck of cards, but the deck never ends. Mathematicians proved that you can dissect this infinite sphere into just 5 specific, highly complex pieces. These pieces aren't shapes you would recognize. They are scattered clouds of points with no measurable volume of their own. By using a special type of rotation, you can shift these 5 pieces in a way that fills the gaps of infinity. When you reassemble them, the points align perfectly to form 2 complete gabless spheres. You haven't stretched the material, you haven't added anything new. You've simply rearranged infinity to double itself. The twist is that this only works because math allows us to ignore the thickness of reality. In the real world, atoms get in the way. You cannot cut an atom into a cloud of points. But this paradox reveals a haunting truth about logic. Our concept of size and space is just a useful illusion we created to make sense of a world that is much stranger than it looks. If we can mathematically prove that 1 can become 2, what else is our intuition lying to us about? Perhaps the world isn't made of things, but of rules that we are only just beginning to break.